Alright, so we're outside now with this, getting taken care of. I'm gonna prep it for paint. We're gonna make this red, like the other one under the hood. Under the bonnet, I should say. So yo, stay tuned. I'm gonna prep it, spray it, and then show you the final results. So stay tuned. Scuff it up so easier for the paint to stick onto the plastic. Scuff it up, scuff it up, scuff it up. Little rubbing alcohol to clean up this thing now. Straight. Work on yourself, just easy. Clean up this little bit before we clean it up a little bit. Yeah, clean it up a little bit more scuffing and just make sure so this is ready. Some people might say it's not accurate, but yo, I like doing it this way. That mostly off. Give me another rinse. Get all the excess off. Turn around. Clean this up a little bit more. Like a rubbing alcohol. Then just wipe it up. Let it dry. As we come back and continue, you see we're outside, so now we're gonna spray this up. I'm using this Rust-Oleum plastic paint and primer mix. It's an apple red, which I'm gonna continue to use this color in the engine mate to dress it up and make it look, nice and clean and just not just regular plain on black on a pot with never like a show to it. Not necessarily a show car, but more have some little accents and color to it, isn't it? So yo, as we continue. First coat. Catch the next side too. Alright, so as we continue, I already did two coatings on it already. Take a look. See? Gonna sneak peek what's coming up next. Alright, you can see it's practically covered, but I'm gonna do 2 or 3 more coats to make sure it's sealed and locked in properly and fully covered with the color. But you can see what I have right there, the AEM intake induction for the E90. Let me explain how we get that and why I'm about to put that in. Those who probably follow the channel and see that I did a previous video with the cold air intake, I have posted pictures and the video up in the group, and I had got people commenting talking about, yo, there's a hot air intake and that's a lot of heat soak and stuff. I was like, yo, it's not really a big deal to me because the power that I'm getting and losing ain't that big anyway. So my vibe was, yo, the sitting sound wicked and I love how it sound. So one of the members say, yo, they had an E90 and they crashed it or whatever, and they're not looking to buy another one, and they want to go through the hassle of selling it because they have their intake, and say, yo, they're gonna donate it to me because, you know, I got the channel and then I get some content out of it. So yo, I'm not complaining, I'm glad for it. So I'm gonna try it out, put it in, and then being that way how that intake setup, it doesn't come with the it uses the factory inlet boot, or you can switch to like a silicone boot like a Mishimoto sells. And being that I did this little DIY and cut out the little resonator part, so that way I'll get the full induction noise. So we're gonna put that on and see how that's set. But I'm not sure if I'm gonna put that in this video or just cut it and put a whole separate video. But stay tuned, I'm gonna continue painting this and get this thing sorted out. Alright, looks like it's completely covered and coated. I think I did a pretty good job. So see it now, that's pretty much done. I guess the next video when I post up, I'm gonna put it in back in the engine bay and see how it's sorted out, and look, sweet. And I guess that same time I'm gonna have the new intake set up with the box and blah blah blah. Alright, so yeah, that's painted. I'm about to put it. Those of you probably not gonna paint it, just, you know, cut the resonator part off, seal it up, and put it back in the engine bay, and it should give you some nice induction sound. Unfortunately, you're not gonna hear that from mine because I'm gonna put in the aftermarket earbox from AEM, and yeah, still gonna be fire still, you know. But you can imagine if with that little resonator piece cut off, you'll get some induction noise if that's what you want. You understand? So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend. Bam! About this the thing there. Check out my Instagram, dbaddis. Yeah, give me a couple likes, give me a couple shout outs, tell your friends to watch the thing. Listen to me later.